I have another video for dating tips and tricks and how to highlight your personality while doing online dating. Let's meet Lee. Lee, who is 50, says, "No games or hookups. If you can't converse properly or are for the streets, stay over there. My children are grown. I am educated, mature, hardworking, experienced, and more with a passport, but it's up to you if you want to experience being treated like royalty or snot. I meant thought. LOL. If you are brummaging, fugacious, cavil, and or only vespertine date. You can know a woman's character by her choice of words. She may lack longanimity and self-control." So obviously Lee just got a thesaurus and he's throwing out words. That final sentence, I believe it was an attempt at a sentence. He used if, but he didn't complete the sentence. If you are brummaging, fugacious, cavil, and or only vespertine date, you can know a woman's character by her choice of words. Like, what is this even saying? Okay, brummaging is cheap or showy. Fugacious is an adjective tending to disappear or fleeting. Cavil, a verb to make petty or unnecessary objections. And longanimity, patient endurance of hardship, injuries, or offense. Like, literally, what is Lee saying? I don't know, but he didn't complete the sentence, so we may never know. The fact that he says you can know a woman's character by her choice of words and then proceeds to use these words in his profile to highlight the fact that he just got a thesaurus shows me a lot about his character. But let's see what Lee looks like. Here's a little bit. Yes, he is working that gray and black beard. Okay, so he's showing that he is 50. He has some beads on his wrist. Okay, so we got Lee in his suit. He's rocking the thesaurus. He got his eyes wide open for the woman that he is looking for. So I want you guys to jump in the comments. Let me know what you think. Would you accept a date and choose a conversation with this man who is obviously able to use words and capitalize random words and sentences and type with punctuation? Because yes, I'm going to give him a star for actually using some punctuation in his bio. So that is a plus. It is a plus that he has a well-groomed beard. He groomed is nice and cut. Yes. But you guys, let me know what you think. What pointers would you give? Like